Good morning everyone. Today I will explain you reading of the maps chapter 4 part 2 topic large scale versus small scale maps. All maps are models of the real world. This means all maps are a compromise about how much information to show on a map. Maps are two types, small scale map and large scale map. Firstly, we learn about the large scale maps. The geographic area covered is small. More details is shown on a map. The detail is large. Example, map of a city, map of a country, map of a neighborhood. The scale ratio is small in number, means in large scale map the area is small but detail is large. In small scale map the geographic area covered is large. Only significant features are shown. The detail is small. Example, the map of a world, map of the United States, regional map. The scale ratio is large. Students, ratio on the large scale map. If a distance of any place is 100 inches, we can show on large scale map is 1 inch. And if actual distance is 100 centimeter, we can show it 1 centimeter. Okay student, on a large scale map. Now map scale, why it is necessary? Map are representation of reality. Map scale effects is how accurate that representation is. Large scale map is smaller area, more detailed, more accurate. Small scale map, larger area, less detailed, less accurate. Understand students? Now we will learn about the sketch and plan. Sketch. What is sketch? A diagram that is drawn without taking into consideration the actual distance between the places or direction is called a sketch. Important landmarks such as hospitals, shops, offices, ponds, bridges, etc. can be marked. It is not to scale and is drawing from memory. For example, if your father has to give you direction to reach his office, he will draw road and landmarks from his memory. Now we will learn about the plan. Plan is an outline drawing of a building or a room or a small area. It includes the accurate direction, symbol and distance, much like a map. A plan gives many details, whereas a sketch gives only the main features of area to be studied. A plan is different from a sketch because it is drawn to a scale. Students, whenever we plan or when an architecture make a plan for any building, he use scale. We can say a plan is an outline drawing of a building or a room or a small area such as a market or a housing complex or even a classroom drawn to a scale. Thanks everyone. Have a good day.